Welcome back to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Managing blood sugar levels is crucial to maintaining overall health and well-being. For many, especially those with diabetes or prediabetes, understanding how to keep blood sugar in check can be the difference between a healthy life and severe health complications. High or low blood sugar can lead to a range of issues, from fatigue and irritability to more severe conditions like heart disease and nerve damage. Therefore, it's essential to prioritize blood sugar management as part of a healthy lifestyle. This video will delve into common mistakes people make when managing their blood sugar levels. You'll learn about dietary choices that can lead to spikes and dips, the importance of regular monitoring, and how stress can play a significant role in blood sugar fluctuations. We'll also provide practical solutions to help you avoid these pitfalls, ensuring you have the necessary tools to maintain stable blood sugar levels. Moreover, we'll highlight the broader impact of blood sugar on your overall health. From energy levels to mood stability, how your body processes glucose affects every aspect of your life. By the end of this video, you'll understand the importance of blood sugar management and feel empowered to make informed choices that promote your health and well-being. So, let's get started on this journey to better blood sugar control. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Alert! This mistake makes your blood sugar rise the most. One common yet often overlooked mistake that can significantly spike blood sugar levels is skipping meals. When you skip a meal, your body becomes stressed, releasing hormones like cortisol and adrenaline. These hormones can trigger the liver to release stored glucose into the bloodstream, causing a sudden spike in blood sugar levels. This physiological response can make you tired and irritable, making it harder to focus and function throughout the day. Daily, this mistake can happen more quickly than you might think. For instance, you might rush to work and skip breakfast, thinking you'll grab a coffee instead. Or perhaps you're busy with errands and forget to eat lunch, only to find yourself ravenous by dinner. These scenarios are relatable for many, and they highlight how easy it is to overlook the importance of regular meals. Now take a moment to reflect on your habits. Are there times when you find yourself skipping meals or delaying eating? Recognizing this pattern is the first step toward better blood sugar management. Eating balanced meals regularly can help stabilize blood sugar levels and improve overall health. Consistency is critical, and small changes can bring significant benefits. 10 crucial signs your blood sugar is dangerously high. So, recognizing the signs of high blood sugar is essential for preventing severe health complications. Here are 10 critical indicators that your blood sugar levels may be dangerously high. 1. Increased thirst. If you constantly reach for water, it could be a sign that your body is trying to flush out excess sugar through urine. 2. Frequent urination. High blood sugar can increase urination as your kidneys work overtime to eliminate excess glucose. This can disrupt your daily routine and lead to dehydration. 3. Fatigue. Are you feeling unusually tired or lethargic? High blood sugar can prevent your body from effectively using glucose for energy, leaving you drained. 4. Blurred vision. Elevated glucose levels can cause fluid to be pulled from the lenses of your eyes, leading to temporary vision changes. 5. Headaches. Persistent headaches can occur due to dehydration and fluctuating blood sugar levels. 6. Dry mouth and skin. High blood sugar can lead to dehydration, which can result in a dry mouth and less elastic skin. 7. Slow healing. If cuts and bruises take longer to heal, it may indicate that high blood sugar affects your body's healing process. 8. Nausea. Elevated glucose levels can sometimes lead to nausea or even vomiting. 9. Unexplained weight loss. If you're losing weight without trying, it could be a sign that your body is not utilizing glucose properly. 10. Increased hunger. Despite eating, you may feel hungry due to your body's inability to use glucose for energy. Recognizing these signs early is crucial for managing your health. If you experience any of these symptoms, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional to prevent potential complications. Taking action early can make a significant difference in your overall well-being. Dates are your blood sugar's best friend. Ditch the myths. Yet dates often get a bad rap due to their natural sweetness when managing blood sugar levels. However, it's time to delete some common myths surrounding these nutrient-packed fruits. First, let's talk about their nutritional benefits. Dates are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making them a powerhouse of nutrition. They contain essential nutrients like potassium, magnesium, and vitamin B6, which support overall health. One of the most significant misconceptions is that dates will cause a rapid spike in blood sugar levels. While dates have a higher glycemic index than some other fruits, they also have a low glycemic load due to their fiber content. This means that when consumed in moderation, dates can provide a steady energy source without causing drastic fluctuations in blood sugar. Research shows that dates' fiber can help regulate blood sugar levels by slowing down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. This makes them a smart choice for a natural sweetener or a healthy snack. Enjoy them in moderation, perhaps as a natural sweetener in smoothies or a topping for oatmeal. By understanding the true impact of dates on blood sugar and embracing their health benefits, you can enjoy this delicious fruit without fear. So ditch the myths and consider adding dates to your healthy eating plan. 10. Unexpected ways to lower blood sugar. Managing blood sugar levels can be manageable. Here are 10 surprising methods that combine lifestyle changes, dietary tips, and natural remedies to help lower your blood sugar levels effectively. 1. Stay hydrated. Drinking water helps your kidneys flush out excess sugar through urine. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day. 2. Incorporate cinnamon. Studies suggest that cinnamon can improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels. Sprinkle it on oatmeal or add it to smoothies. 3. Get moving. Regular physical activity, even a brisk walk after meals, can enhance insulin sensitivity and help lower blood sugar levels. 4. Practice mindfulness. Stress can elevate blood sugar levels. Meditation and deep breathing can help reduce stress and improve overall well-being. 5. Eat more fiber. High-fiber foods, such as legumes and whole grains, slow down sugar absorption, leading to more stable blood sugar levels. 6. Try apple cider vinegar. Some studies indicate that apple cider vinegar can improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels after meals. Mix a tablespoon of water before meals. 7. Prioritize sleep. Lack of sleep can disrupt insulin sensitivity. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to support blood sugar regulation. 8. Choose low glycemic foods. Foods with a low glycemic index, like sweet potatoes and most fruits, can help maintain stable blood sugar levels. 9. Include healthy fats. Avocados and nuts can slow digestion and prevent spikes in blood sugar. 10. Consider probiotics. Emerging research suggests that gut health plays a role in blood sugar regulation. Incorporate yogurt or fermented foods into your diet. Small changes can lead to significant improvements in blood sugar management. How to flush out blood sugar overnight. You can implement several effective strategies to decrease your blood sugar levels overnight. First and foremost, focus on your dietary choices. Consuming a light, low-carbohydrate dinner can help prevent spikes in blood sugar. Opt for lean proteins, non-starchy vegetables, and healthy fats. Foods like grilled chicken, leafy greens, and avocado can provide nourishment without overwhelming your system with sugar. In addition to your evening meal, consider incorporating a small snack before bed. A handful of nuts or a piece of cheese can help stabilize blood sugar levels throughout the night. Hydration is another critical factor. Drinking plenty of water before bed can aid your kidneys in flushing out excess sugar. Aim for at least 1 glass of water in the evening, but be mindful not to overdo it to avoid frequent trips to the bathroom. Sleep quality also plays a crucial role in blood sugar management. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of restful sleep, as poor sleep can lead to insulin resistance and elevated blood sugar levels. Establish a calming bedtime routine, such as reading or practicing relaxation techniques, to improve sleep quality. By making mindful dietary choices, staying hydrated, and prioritizing sleep, you can effectively support your body in flushing out excess blood sugar overnight. Minor adjustments can lead to significant improvements in your overall health. 1. Mineral that will lower your blood sugar and fix insulin resistance. One mineral that has shown significant promise in lowering blood sugar levels and improving insulin sensitivity is magnesium. Magnesium plays a crucial role in various biochemical reactions in the body, including those that regulate blood sugar. Research indicates that adequate magnesium levels can enhance insulin sensitivity, allowing your body to use insulin more effectively. This is particularly important for individuals struggling with insulin resistance, as it can help stabilize blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Food sources rich in magnesium include leafy green vegetables, nuts, seeds, whole grains, and legumes. Spinach, almonds, and black beans are excellent choices. Additionally, avocados and dark chocolate are tasty options that provide a good dose of magnesium. If you find it challenging to meet your magnesium needs through diet alone, consider discussing supplementation with a healthcare professional. Magnesium supplements, such as magnesium citrate or glycinate, are available in various forms and can effectively boost your intake. Incorporating magnesium-rich foods into your meals and being mindful of your overall intake can support better blood sugar control and improve insulin sensitivity. Small changes can bring significant health benefits, so add more magnesium today. Understanding how to maintain healthy blood sugar levels is essential for everyone, especially those at risk of diabetes or experiencing insulin resistance. We discussed various strategies, including dietary choices, lifestyle changes, and the importance of specific minerals like magnesium in regulating blood sugar. We also highlighted practical tips, such as incorporating low glycemic foods, staying hydrated, and prioritizing sleep to support your body's natural body to manage blood sugar. By implementing these strategies, you can take proactive steps toward better health and well-being. We encourage you to implement these tips and monitor how they affect your blood sugar levels. Your health journey is unique, and every step you take toward better blood sugar management is a step in the right direction. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more valuable content on health and wellness. Remember to don't and share this video with friends and family who may benefit from these insights. Together, we can spread awareness about the importance of blood sugar management and empower others to lead healthier lives. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.